Hey guys, welcome to another Essential. What I'm gonna show you today is my sherry shallot vinaigrette. We usually make escabeche out of it. What is escabeche? Usually a pickled vegetable. I've got some whole grain mustard here. Just gonna put that right in a bowl. Diced shallots, a small cut. Chopped thyme leaves, a little bit of sherry vinegar, some honey, a little bit of olive oil. Mix, mix, mix. And add a little bit of chopped parsley to this. All right guys, so a great example of how to do a quick pickle or an actual escabeche is I'm gonna quickly saute some shallots, mushrooms, and asparagus, just really fast. And then we'll marinate them in this escabeche, and you'll see, super easy, super quick. So here is your escabeche, asparagus and escabeche. Just gonna give that a little shot. Light, kind of bright. Guys, make some escabeche. See you next time.